Hi, it's James, and today I've come to Cala Jóncols on the north side of Catalonia in the Cap de Creus. It's a fantastic environment, it's mostly protected, and today I want to show you around all this area where there are nice depths and very clear waters. Come on, let's dive in. Cool. First little marble. A little cave out of nowhere. Only accessible by sea. Inside. Tip of the day: if you find this jellyfish, don't worry too much about it. It doesn't sting. You can actually touch it. Better if you don't. But just don't touch then your mouth or your eyes or sensitive areas. Isn't this amazing? Let's go and see. Fresh water coming out of the mountain straight into the sea. But there are even tadpoles. Let's go and see them. In this little pond of water mixed with fresh and salty water, we found a morena. Sorry, I don't know how you say that in English. changed my swimming goggles for my diving goggles because I'm in one of my favorite places here. It looks like a cliff under the water. So I can just jump off as if I was flying.